and welcome to the Fontainebleau, Las Vegas. And this is a standard room on the 35th floor. And as you walk through the room, the brightness glares at you. It's so white and new, which is nice. So looking in the bathroom, nice big size bathroom there. Look at that. All the fancy toiletries. And then you've got this massive shower. And we move into the shower and look, wow, that is a big shower. Now moving into the main room. Lovely and white decor, bluey white. Lovely artwork there. And moving over to the view. It's actually partly a strip view overlooking the sphere. The windows could do with cleaning. And there's a pool, the pool view as well. There's quite a few people in there, but it's in the 80s today, low 80s. Right next to the convention centre there. The usual mini bar and snacks that you'll have to pay for. Dressing gown. Free slippers. Hairdryer. And a big mirror. What a lovely room this is. It is a lovely hotel, the Fontainebleau. Just doesn't get the footfall it deserves because it's further north on the strip. Anyway, enjoy if you're coming here.